One magical ingredient that I always include in my skincare prescriptions is a vitamin C serum. I call it a skin superstar for its innumerable benefits to the skin. We should not only include vitamin C in our daily food, but also use it on our skin daily. So before you invest on your vitamin C serum, let us know why it is called a superstar. Benefit number 1. Vitamin C prevents premature aging. Vitamin C promotes the growth of collagen, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. So if you are using a vitamin C serum in routine, it will prevent the formation of wrinkles and prevent premature aging. Benefit number 2. It gives you an evened out skin tone. Vitamin C decreases the production of melanin, the pigment that gives a darker appearance to the skin. So using a vitamin C serum on your face in routine will reduce the pigmented patches on your skin and give you that evened out skin tone. Benefit number 3. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, which means it reduces the damage and stress caused to the skin by the harmful UV radiations. Benefit number 4. Vitamin C hydrates the skin. Vitamin C helps in retaining water. So using a vitamin C serum in routine will keep your skin hydrated, neither make it too oily nor make it too dry. So a lot of products claim to have vitamin C in them, but the real benefit lies in what form of vitamin C we are applying on the skin. So while buying your vitamin C serum, look for the ingredient L-ascorbic acid, which is the most stable and the most effective form of vitamin C. How to use vitamin C? Vitamin C is usually packaged as serums because it allows them to deliver a higher concentration to the skin, and also it is easily absorbable. I usually prefer prescribing 15% to 20% vitamin C serums. Vitamin C can be used AM as well as PM. But if you are using retinol in your daily skincare routine, then preferably use vitamin C in the morning and retinol serum at night. Vitamin C should be applied after cleansing your skin and before the moisturizer so that it gets absorbed easily. You must remember that vitamin C might cause slight tingling sensation on the skin. Now, who should avoid using a vitamin C serum? People with dry and sensitive skin should avoid using vitamin C, but if at all you have to, then begin with a lower concentration as in 5% vitamin C serum and do a patch test to make sure it does not irritate your skin or give you any allergies. So don't wait now. Do include vitamin C serum in your daily skincare regimen. I hope this information was useful to you. Do let us know in the comment section.